If you want to cut objects in Tinkercad, the easiest way is to use a shape set as a whole, then combine it with the object you want to cut using the Group tool. In this video, I'll show you the full process step by step so you can create clean cuts in just a few clicks. This is a super useful technique for 3D printing, modeling, and designing custom parts, and once you understand it, you can use it over and over again in your projects. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy Tinkercad tips and design guides. Let's jump in. First, open your Tinkercad project and decide which object you want to cut. This will be your main solid shape, and it's the object that will lose material when the cut is applied. Now look for the shape you want to use as the cutter. This can be something simple like a box, cylinder, or any other basic shape that fits the area you want to remove. The important thing here is that the cutter shape needs to overlap the solid object in the exact place where you want the cut to happen. Once you've selected the cutter shape, go to the inspector window in the top right corner and click the hole option. As soon as you do that, the shape changes appearance and becomes transparent or grayed out. That means Tinkercad now treats it as a cutting shape instead of a solid model. This is one of the most important steps because if the shape is still solid, it will simply merge instead of cutting. Next, position the hole shape over the solid object. You can drag it into place, use the alignment tools if needed, and make sure it overlaps the area you want removed. You can also resize it to make the cut wider, deeper, or more precise depending on your design. Take a moment here to check the placement carefully, because the final result depends on exactly how the hole and solid object overlap. After that, select both objects together. You can click and drag a selection box around the hole shape and the solid shape, or hold Shift and click both items one by one. Once both are selected, you're ready for the final step. This is where Tinkercad turns the overlapping hole into an actual cut in your model. Now click the group icon in the top toolbar, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+G on Windows or Command+G on Mac. The moment you group them, Tinkercad will apply the cut. The hole shape disappears from view, and the material from the solid object is removed wherever the shapes overlapped. What's left behind is a clean cut in your model. If the cut doesn't look right, just undo it and adjust the hole shape again. You may need to move it, resize it, or rotate it slightly before grouping. That's completely normal, especially when you're trying to make accurate custom shapes. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to create precise cuts for your designs. And that's it. To cut an object in Tinkercad, just make a shape into a hole, place it over the solid object, select both, and group them together. It's a simple workflow, but it's one of the most powerful tools in Tinkercad for shaping and customizing your 3D models. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more beginner-friendly Tinkercad tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.